Experiencing a no network connection error on your consumer cellular device can be frustrating. This issue generally means your phone can't establish a cellular data link, preventing calls, texts, and mobile data access. The primary causes include incorrect APN settings, network outages, or device-specific glitches. First, check your signal strength. If it's low or non-existent, it could indicate a coverage issue or temporary outage in your area. If signal strength is good, the next step is to verify your APN settings. APN, access point name, acts as the gateway between your device and Consumer Cellular's network. The correct APN is crucial for establishing a data connection. For Consumer Cellular, the default APN is typically ccdata or ccdata.vzw for some devices. You'll also want to ensure the MCC is set to 310 and the MNC to 000. Incorrect or missing APN settings are a very common cause of the no network connection error, especially after device updates or network migrations. You can find these settings in your phone's network settings under Mobile Network Access Point Names. To fix, manually input the correct APN settings. You can also try soft resetting your device by restarting it and using the network reset, which erases the Wi-Fi and mobile data settings.